Urmila Salgaonkar, the main accused in the Vasco food poisoning case, surrendered before Mormugao police on Monday afternoon. Ms. Salgaonkar, the owner of Saraswati Mahila Mandal, was absconding since June 17th after a lizard was found in midday meals provided by her self-help group, which made 52 students suffer. The accused has been remanded to 3 days police custody.
Around 52 students and a teacher of Murgaon High School, Sada, were taken ill after consuming midday meal supplied by Saraswati Mahila Mandal earlier this month. The following day, a cook was arrested in this case. However, Urmila Salgaonkar, the owner of Mahila Mandal, gave the police the slip. Subsequently, police had issued lookout notice for Urmila Salgaonkar. After daring the police for about 10 days, Urmila Salgaonkar finally surrendered before the police at Mormugao police station on Monday afternoon. In the meantime, the Assistant District Education Inspector of Mormugao on Monday inspected the Vidya Mandir school in Vasco after the recent incident where expired packets of biscuits were supplied to students through midday meal. In the wake of the soiled midday meal provided to students through midday meal scheme by the Siddhi Mahila Mandal, the Assistant District Education Inspector Mormugao, Smita Raikar, on Monday inspected the Vidya Mandir school in Vasco. Education Inspector will be submitting a report to the department soon for the further course of action.
Out of all 547
only 6 I found out of. Nothing. We will take this thing and will send the report. वळयतात तेन्ना आमकां अशें सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी मेळटा फूड. आमी सुद्दां टेस्ट करतात. पण एक जो इन्सिडंट आमी काय सदां वचूंक शकनात. तेन्ना एक पळयन तेन्ना आमी हें जाता.
The Siddhi Mahila Mandal of Vasco had purchased 500 packets of biscuits on 25th of June, which were directly supplied to the students. Though against the guidelines, the biscuits were supplied at the request of school authorities, the president of the Siddhi Mahila Mandal said.
सराची रिक्वेस्ट तेंची भुरगीं शिरा आनी पुलाव खायना हेका लागून तेंच्यांनी रिक्वेस्ट केल्लो आमकां ती शिरा आनी पुलाव आमकां केन्ना धाडूं नाका कितें तरी बिस्कीट धाड ना ओपन जेन्ना तेंची बॉक्सां दाखयली न्ही ती पॅकच आसली आनी तेन्ना हांवें ताका विचारलें खंयच्या तारखेक तो म्हणून मार्च आनी बिस्किटीचेर बरयल्लें आहलें तें म्हणजे तेची पयलीं एक ओपन आसली तेचेर बरयल्लें आहलें तर डेली भाजी पाव हें दिवंक शकना आमी सकाळीं फुडें ते चण्याचें एक शिजपाक जावं बटाट्याची कसली भाजी केली आनी बायलां ती करपाक ते नाल्ल कात आनी हे सगळें हे अरेंजमेंट आनी पावाचो रेट 2 रुपयान पाव आमकां होलसेलान 2 रुपयान पडटा आनी ती परवडना.